How long have you been involved in this endeavor of Nanaji's I Love Mumbai?
As long as I've known Nanaji, which is more than 20 years.
I became part of it since this year.
I've been involved for the past 15 years.
He's a very patriotic man, he's a very dynamic man. He had done so much for the city and continues to do so much for the city. So one can really say he's like the godfather of Mumbai.
I Love Mumbai is a thankless and payless job. In spite of that, what keeps you going?
My love for the city and my enthusiasm.
What are the changes that you've seen in Mumbai for the past 75 years?
I think it has improved from the time when we started. And now I find the people have become very conscious of greenery.
So you are on the board of many of the national and international NGOs. So then how do you manage your time?
I'll tell you, the busiest man is always free. It's a question of management of time.
You have agreed to be on the board of jury for the Iceplex Art Film Awards, IFA 2008. So what is your message that you would like to give to all the participants?
That all this talent has to be capitalized. And I was very happy to be on the jury because I think that you youngsters are the future of India.
I Love Mumbai is not just a slogan. Mumbai Mazi Ladki is not just a slogan. It's about truly doing something. And the initiation starts by students like you all who take it on to build Mumbai as in a green city. And it starts by planting a sapling and growing a tree.
Today's all youth, they love greens. So I just have to motivate more to them, and they must keep it growing.
When you say I love Mumbai, you must mean it. And if you mean it, then you must give back something to the city because, as you know, love is a two-way relationship. You can't just say it as an empty slogan. You must give back to the city, be conscious of your immediate neighborhood, and something as simple as keeping your own building, its compound clean.
Sir, what are you doing to make Mumbai more cleaner and greener?
Educating the people, we are doing a lot of activities.
What message will you give to the students of Iceplex? That it is a web portal launched by the children for the children, first time ever in India. So what message would you like to give?
After seeing you both children, I think you are quite promising and you have become already like a professional. So if this is the way you grow up, this is the way you develop yourself. So I don't have to say anything, just I can say God bless you and keep it up.
And Miss, what will be your message to the youngsters of the country?
India is to become a superpower. It's because you guys will be there to ensure that the country grows in the right direction and achieves its full potential.
It's a great, great initiation. Congratulations to all of you youngsters who truly believe that the youth is not the future, the youth is the present, because that's what we need in our country today.